All right, next up I got Rolando's going to crack open a box of 1819 Dominion basketball. Doncic hunting. Good luck, man. Okay, I picked a good box here. All right, start off with McCovelich, number 299. Oh, I think you're going to like this next card, buddy. I think you're going to like this next card. Quad autograph, 13 of 25. DeAndre Ayton, Marvin Bagley, Luka Doncic, and Jaren Jackson. I said, man. That's awesome. Quad auto to 25. Sweet. Alright, then we have a Bates Diop jersey autograph to 199, rookie. Gold patch autograph to 10, Clint Capella, 2 colors. A Wagner rookie metal, and we'll finish it on up with a Buddy Hield, number 75 base. Alright, man, awesome hit on the quad. Congrats. Appreciate it as always. I'll get all packed.